All right, so today we've got a X3M. We are doing the coilovers on it. What do you got? What do you got trailing behind you, Gavin? What is that?
She's screwed. Stop! Stop!
All right, Gavin's getting these wheels torn off. Here are the coilovers. They're from BC Racing. Beautiful. Came with new sway bar links as well. Okay, Gavin, let us know what we're doing down here.
Taking the bolt.
All right, since Gavin didn't want to explain it, we've got the lower control arm jacked up here. He's taking the bolt and nut from both sides.
Taking the bolt.
Taking the bolt.
Okay, wait. This one swung up in my wrist.
So for this sensor, you don't want to unplug it. You just want to take the screw off and pull the whole sensor to the side. All right, now you want to get this thing lowered so you can access the trunk.
You're gonna want to open this up to get to the top bolts right under this cover. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro bolt. Sucker off.
Pop that sensor off.
Pop that sucker. Hate BMW clips, bro.
Gavin doesn't know how to take a clip off. So, all right, I had to show Gavin how it's done and get this clip off, but he's getting the strut unbolted from the top here. Everything here is unbolted. I'm going to do the honors and yank this thing out.
I need help.
Okay.
Ow. Thanks.
Beautiful. Hooray.
We got the new coil right here. We're gonna pull this down and then shove it back in how the old one came out. Oh. That's good.
Beautiful. Going through and reversing the initial process, screwing the sensor back in, getting these bolts back in place, lining up this last bolt for the control arm, and then the rear is done. Pretty simple. Pretty good. Oh my gosh. And just like that, we've got both coilovers on the rear. Brand new BC Racing coilovers. Picked up some spacers from ECS Tuning. Slap them on. Give this thing a beautiful look. Now the front is a bit more complex. What are you doing, Gavin?
To take out the bolt.
He said he's trying to take out the bolt to this bracket here. Get in the other half of the sway bar link. Perfect. Getting the knuckle bolt out. Oh, maybe not.
Hey now.
Good.
I'll get them myself.
When you come up here, you're gonna take these covers off to get to the strut tower. Now that this cover's off, we're gonna get this strut brace removed. These 3 bolts for the strut comes out, and this sensor comes off as well. Down here, getting some WD-40 on this knuckle.
Getting rid of these 2 bolts so we can get to this one, loosen it up, and make our lives easier. That's all we do.
Okay, so now that we've got our knuckle lubed up, I'm gonna get this pry bar in between here and spread it. All right, we're kind of just wiggling it out, and we're gonna use the air hammer to love tap the rest of it out.
We are now love tapping.
All right, Gavin.
Help me!
Gavin's crying that he needs help, and I'm trying to get the camera out.
You're gonna...
Got the new front strut. New strut going in.
Is it like up square? It should be. Yep. Whoa.
Now it's time to
Put the strut in the knuckle.
insert the new strut in the knuckle. How do we get out?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay, we've got everything set back in place. We're gonna hang these sensors, get these bolts tightened down, spacer and wheel on, and this side's done. Okay, we're about finished up here. I just got done putting on all the wheels except this side. Gavin's finishing up this strut brace. Is everything on down here?
Mm-hmm.
Everything down here is on and ready to rock. Oh yeah. Getting all these plastic pieces back in.
You should paint.
All right, we're getting the final touches put on, AKA torquing these wheels down. Well, that wraps up this project. Got everything installed. It's still got to settle, but it's significantly lower. Looks great. So we just installed new downpipes and mid pipe yesterday. Now we've got the coilovers on.